Get your butt up. Look at this. Look at this. Just a beautiful morning. All these look at that. It looks like fire behind the trees. It's morning. A chance to start over. Another day. Look at this. I didn't want this morning to pass without you seeing this. So even if you see it later this afternoon or tonight, just think about it. We all get the same morning. That's the one thing in life that is equitable. We all get the same morning. We all get the same number of hours in each day. Look at that. That's no filter. That's no filter. That's your chance. Good morning.